Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. This is an update to all the anonymous tips and everything on my vacation rental, where people were saying there was a party and illegal use of substances and other things happening. It was the time change last night, so checkout time is now. It's 10 a.m. I came by here last night at 10 p.m. and everything was quiet still. There was no issues. I got a noise complaint at about 10:45 from a neighbor, but I was already asleep by that point, so I don't know if they started a party after that. And then I had a friend get in at about 2 a.m. and he said everything was quiet at that point. So I don't know if there was a party. I don't know if there was substances being used. I had some pictures sent to me from people's social media that were apparently staying here. But we're going to do a walkthrough right now and see what kind of condition it's left in. Housekeeping. Let's see how it is. Oh man, it smells like several different things. The alcohol smell is very strong. Lots of trash. What is this? I don't have a clue what that is. One of our cars got in the light, so they were playing with the Hot Wheels track. That's normal. So this is kind of automotive themed, but I don't know if it's just the trash smelling of the alcohol or what. We got a hoodie or something left. Housekeeping. Is everybody gone? Okay. Yeah. That's probably not good stuff, right? Hi, Shane. Okay. Let's take a look here. Okay, so we got the mirrors. I actually saw some pictures from social media things where somebody had posted some photos of themselves in here, and they tried to indicate, hi Shane, that it was incriminating or that they were doing things that were wrong, but the videos didn't really show that. So I don't know why people were so interested in these people getting caught for doing something. I don't know if they had somebody angry that they wanted to get in trouble. Okay. Let's go out here in the garage and see if there's any problems. So it looks like they were, we have these, the power things and some of this other stuff that people use. It looks like they were playing some games. Definitely a little bit of smell, but if they had a party, I don't think they did too bad. There's a little bit of food and stuff in the fridge. All that'll be taken care of. There's definitely a lot of dishes to do. They stayed here for 2 nights. I don't think this is a perfect job, but I don't think it's that bad. They gathered their trash. I feel like they were somewhat respectful. The floor's not all sticky. I'm actually kind of not I'm kind of surprised. I think this is pretty good. I was legitimately terrified that this was going to be absolutely trashed. Now, there's definitely an odor in here. So we're going to do an ozonation. An ozonator will put ozone into the air. That'll help to get rid of some of that smell. And our cleaners will have to spend some extra time on it as a result. So there is some extra cleaning involved. But overall, this is better than I expected. So thanks, guys.